Hi, in this video, we want to find the value of n given that you have 6 to the power of n multiplied by 6 to the power of n multiplied by 6 to the power of n equals 72. Then let us recall when we have a to the power of n times a to the power of n times a to the power of n. This equals as a to the power of n in parentheses to the power of 3. So from here we have 6 to the power of n in parentheses to the power of 3 equals 72. Then from here we have 6 to the power of 3n equals 72. Then from here, let's introduce log to both sides of this expression. So we're going to have here to be log 6 to the power of 3n equals log 72. Then when we have log a to the power of m equals m multiplied by log a. Now we have 3n multiplied by log 6 equals log 72. Now, dividing through by log 6, so this log 6 will cancel out this. We have 3n equals log 72 over log 6. Then from here we can have 72 as 6 times 12. So if we have it in the above here, we are going to have 3n equals log open parenthesis 6 times 12 over log 6. Now from here we have 3n equals log 6 plus log 12 over log 6. 3n, this divided by this will be log 6 over log 6 plus log 12 over log 6. Now we have 3n, log 6 divided by log 6 will be 1. We can also have this 12 here as 6 times 2 over log 6. So 3n equals 1 plus log 6 plus log 2 over log 6. Now we have 3n 1 plus log 6 over log 6 plus log 2 over log 6. 3n equals 1 plus log 6 divided by log 6 will be 1. Log 2 over log 6. Then when we have log a over log b equals as log a base b. 3n equals 2 plus log 2 in base 6. So we have to divide through by 3. Then we have n equals 2 plus log 2 in base 6 over 3. Now, let us now verify To check, we have 6 to the power of n times 6 to the power of n times 6 to the power of n equals 72. We simplify this to be 6 to the power of 3n equals 72. Then here will be 6 to the power of 3 open parenthesis 2 plus log 2 in base 6 over 3. Then it's going to give us 72. This 3 will eliminate this. So we have 6 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 6. So going to give us 72. So we have 6 to the power of 2 times 6 to the power of log 2 in base 6. It's going to give us 72. This will be equals 36 times this and this are the same. The output will be 2, which will give us 72. So 36 times 2 equals 72. And so therefore, this equals to this. And this tells us that n equals 2 plus log 2 in base 6 over 3 is correct.